Hey, what's up? This is Ripped with Ripkins. My name is Dustin. Thank you so much for joining today. We're gonna tighten and tone our arms together. 10 minutes is all you need. As you can see, I have those bad boys. It's only 1 pound, so you can grab anything from 1 to 5 pounds. We have a lot of repetitions. If you don't have dumbbells, you can also just grab water bottles. Are you ready? I am. Let's go. From here, place your feet parallel, soften your knees, roll your shoulder blades back. I'm gonna go sideways really fast so you can see me better. You wanna hunch over, 45-degree angle. Squeeze your elbows in. You're gonna start with our triceps. Squeeze your elbows in tighter. Go out here. Now, from here, just hit your arms in. And in, just really nice and small. In, squeeze. Good. Try to keep your hands over your hips. Nice. Long arms, shoot the energy out of your fingertips.
She said I didn't change. I said you just stay the same, baby. You want it.
Now we're gonna go a little faster. Just squeeze it in. Yes.
I wish you would listen to the thing in your chest. I got wrapped up in your mess. Don't get too
nice.
close. I got ice in my veins.
Ready? 8 more. We go 8.
Words in my head.
4 more. From here, hold it here. Pull it up. And up. Just nice and tight. You want to stay in the contraction of your triceps. And squeeze. Good. Shoulder blades back. You already feel the burn? Ready? Double tempo. Here we go. Up.
All I needed back then, now I'm buzzing. Yeah, she said I didn't change. I said you just stay the same. Swear she used to have a plan, but now she
alright, from here, let's combine it. We go in and up. Squeeze it in.
I see that you never
and then up. Nice and slow. We go in and up. 2 more.
She said I didn't change.
Yes, as you can see, I'm not dropping my arms. I'm just squeezing tighter. Double tap. In up. In up. In up.
You don't know resentment emerge, but on the surface the damage is clear. That fake ass hospitality you show me,
I know it's a little fast.
You let the money change you. I didn't coin you for the type to bite my hand and handle the spear. I'm only trusting the man in the mirror. I can stand in the back and help back on the
tears. With your head and your neck if you want.
Add to your fear of being accepted.
Yes.
Cause I think you needed this message. If they say come as a bitch and it's mimicking you, cause I see the resemblance.
2 from here, big bend.
But don't mistake it
and
as
stretch.
I get to calling you
big
out.
Bend.
And please don't make me
and
no
stretch.
names.
Nice. 2 more slow.
For all the times you embellish us.
Put your elbows in tighter. Ready, double tempo. We go in. Hey. Good. You groove it out again if you want. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. Squeeze.
You are all I needed back then, now I'm buzzing. Yeah, she said I didn't change.
I'm already feeling it even with 1 pound. Hey.
Excuses got me.
Get 1 more, go 4.
I see that you never grew from
3,
off in the pavement.
2,
all them likes on Instagram.
1. From here, flip your palms down. Squeeze it up. And up. So why do we do lots of repetitions? Why are we using low weight? Because we want to tone up, right? We don't want to bulk up too much. So we just want to lengthen and strengthen the muscle. Yes. Good tempo, we go up.
I see that you never grew from cracks off in the pavement. All them likes on Instagram don't really mean you made it. She said I didn't change. I said you just stay the same, baby. You want it in place, yeah.
Keep on going, let it burn. I'm feeling it too. We're in this together. Hey. That's it. Last 4. 3, 2, and 1. Come on out. Woo! Yes, I know we felt it a little bit in our shoulders as well. Feet parallel, soft knees, arms up, shoulder blades back. From here, squeeze it up, yes. Good, nice and small. Now we want to cater to our shoulders. So our elbows are in line with our shoulders, hands in alignment with our elbows. Pulse it up, yes. You're doing amazing, good. Hey. Let's go, let's go. Keep going, let me see you. Yes, you're doing good. Keep on going. Hey, last 8, go 8. 4 more. From here, go open and close. We go open, close, squeeze. Yes. Get your shoulder blades together in the back. Keep going. Navel in, rib cage over your navel, long spine. Hey. Hey. Good. 6 more. 4 more. 2 more. Hold it here, now fold it down. We go down and up. Nice and slow. Squeeze. Feel like you're pushing something away. Push, push, push. Yes, you create the inner resistance within your body. Good. And squeeze. 2 more. Good, 1 more. Last round, double tempo, we go down. Hey, let's go, let's go. Yes, you can. Down and up. And squeeze. Good. 8 more, we go 8. Put a smile on your face, it's a good day. We're toning up our arms. We're feeling so good already. Hey, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, bring it out into V. Shoulder blades back, pinkies up, squeeze it up, up. Good. Feel the back of your shoulders, your deltoid, your rear deltoid working. And squeeze, squeeze. Hey. If you want, you can groove it out a little, but make sure you're not losing the tension in your body. Hey. Yeah, our knees can be soft, but our arms and shoulders are engaged. 8 more, go 8. And 6. 4 more, go 4. From here, tiny bend in your elbows, tiny bend, stretch, bend, stretch. Good. Now, even though our elbows are moving, it's all coming from our shoulders, right? Yup. Nice. 2 more. Tempo and reach, 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 reach. Awesome. Last run here for our shoulders. Go 8, 7, 6. Good, 4 more. Go 4.
All I hear, go
3,
get the money.
2,
So I go
and 1. Yes.
I do something
Good.
right.
Dance it out for a second. Shake it up. You know we have biceps to go. Hit. All right. Come on back. Keep parallel. Soft knees. Navel in. Shoulder blades back. Hit your elbows in. Good. I don't care if you make a fist or you stretch your fingers out. Shoulder blades back. Soft knees. Here we go. We bring it up. And up. Hey.
Go get the worm.
Now remember, we only have light weights in our hands,
show you
right?
what I'm worth.
Our body
My
is
hands
doing
in the dirt.
all the motion.
From where they look
Good,
right
we want to create the
My hand in your
resistance. So
purse.
imagine your weight
Hell, if you
is at
take
least
them
20
last,
pounds.
that should be first.
But the good thing
First,
is,
first.
they're not, right? So we're just lifting up our arms. But we want to create the resistance as if the weight is way heavier.
You want to land.
Good.
Look at the miles. I be in skies right by my side. Miss, look at them thighs up in Dubai.
4 more, go 4.
Black man, black sand beaches.
Hey.
Backhand if you slick speaking.
Now from here, hold it here, squeeze it up.
Off if that hand reaches.
Yeah.
Sucker, I ain't
You
gonna
got
allow
it.
challenges.
This is really nice and
All I
small.
hear, go get the
Squeeze.
money.
Squeeze.
So I go
Hit
get
your
it.
elbows in tight into your
That
rib
means I
cage.
do
Yes, you
something
can.
right. So
I'm with you right here. Let's
I'ma
go.
let 'em, yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, I'ma let 'em. I hit the nail on the head, yeah.
Woo! 8 more, go
Get
8.
the money. So I go get it.
4 more.
Do something right. So I'ma
Now we're
let
gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna do hammer curls. So bring your arms
Yeah,
up.
I'ma let 'em.
Palms front. We go up, down.
Hey.
Hey.
Aquaman with how I think. How many could step on the stage and say they taking their art to the
Can you
bank?
pinch your elbows in tighter again?
Boy, I'm sharp as a shank, making you step to the plank.
How you feeling? Are you feeling your arms? Are they burning?
You if you can. They say
Yes.
I have
You're
you
doing
moving
great.
fast.
We're so close to the end.
Getting my bags, never see me getting bagged by the police.
Come on, keep fighting. You deserve it. Keep going. Yes.
It's the return of the Mac.
2 more.
Return of the slack. I let it burn with the facts.
Hold it
I just
here.
keep
Now
the track.
squeeze it
I don't
up.
go mess with the ops.
Up.
I just be calling the shots like I was holding the chop. Then I go hit up the block, cop me a cheese and chop. Probably
Hey.
go get me some top. Release for aftershock. Then I return to the plot.
Now the good thing also is with low
Get it when
weight,
it's hot.
we can injure ourselves as easy, right? So we can sustain long term. It's all about sustainability and being able that we're still moving, right? In 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. Longevity in our bodies, healthy bodies. Yes. Good, 4 more, we go 4. 3, 2, from here, bring your arms out, shoulder blades back. We go curl.
All I hear, go get the money.
Curl.
So I go get it.
Yes.
Hate means I do
Nice.
something right. So I'm
Uh-oh. Yes, our arms are getting heavy.
Yeah, I'ma let 'em.
This is it.
I hit
This
the
is is how we finish. Come on. Keep going.
Shots in the tank.
Last
Man, with
eight.
how I think. How many
Last
can step on the
seven.
stage and say they taking it all to the bank? You pulling rank.
Come on, don't stop.
Making you
Four
step
more.
to the plank. They can't
Yes, you
pretend.
can.
Come get me if you can.
Two more.
I'ma get you if you can.
One
I say
more.
blank. I have you waving
Hey,
the flag.
come on.
Just say
Out.
no.
Yeah, shake it out.
Bags. Never see me getting bags.
Dance to the
By
beat.
sitting in the back.
Let it out.
If it's
All right,
really
you made
I'll tell
it.
shorty
I told you
relax.
10 minutes is all you need, right? Look at your arms. Don't they feel so good? So, my name is Dustin. This is Rip with Ripkins. I appreciate you. Just come on back next time. You made it! Yes! Alright, if you liked it, consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure, if you do, you switch on the bell, the notifications, so you're always the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you want to do some legs, now we did arms. If you want to do legs right here, or you want to do a full body workout, check out this playlist. It's going to be super fun. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.